took the lipstick off that face. I don't wanna share, yeah. If your name was Lucy, I put Lucy in her Lucy. My God, what in the... Early in the morning, you'll remember all the words just right. If you never wanna be a silhouette, you've got to find your light. For 40 days and 40 nights, you lie awake, I know you cry, but dreaming in your room isn't ever gonna get it done. Yeah, you got to walk before you run. Hey son, go to California, dance with the angels, dress how you wanna. Anyway, just like the river.
This is my favorite tree because I see these trees every time I'm on an epic hike. I just think they're so fascinating because they're half dead, but then half alive. Really pretty leaves, and you see the flowers starting. I just think they're so interesting looking. See, it looks like it's dead, and the bottom's alive. Some bay leaves. They smell so strong when they're fresh like this.
But 100 days, 100 years.
1 mile to go. It's a very hard trail. 3.5 miles of up and 3.5 miles of down. There's a little bit of flat in there, but not much. I'm gonna be chasing the sunset on the way back.
Just like the river starts with the raindrops, you'll make it better. Papa said some fight like the great one.
Tree's got the best view here.
Touch ya anyway. Who said you can't go where you wanna? California. To California, live with the angels, love who you wanna. Anyway, you know I miss you.
4.3 miles going back now, so I'm gonna be 8.6, give or take, when I'm done. The sun is setting on Yosemite Valley.
Go where you wanna, California. Hey son, go to California, dance with the angels, dress how you wanna.
Imagine a better spot to sit. Beautiful Yosemite River, crystal clear. Half dome with snow on it in the distance. Sunset, pink sky. It's amazing. .3 miles to go to Vernal Falls, which looks amazing. My legs are feeling really good after 10 miles yesterday. A little sore, but not bad. I can't believe how many amazing waterfalls Yosemite National Park has. It's like unbelievable. Any one of these falls on their own would be a state park at least. I guess that's why it's a national park.
So bring your vibe over here, here, here. Throw it up in the air, air, air. I run my hands through your hair, hair, hair. Give you that love, cause you're oh so rare. You look better over here than you do over there. And I don't wanna share. And you don't let a good thing go to waste. So I took the lipstick off that face. I don't wanna share, yeah. If your name was Lucy, I'd put Lucy in her Lucy. My God, what in the devil? Bring the animal right out of her.
It's a really cool waterfall. I love the sound of the water hitting the rocks. And it amazes me because it doesn't look like the rock is hardly eroded at all. It still seems very sharp and defined. It's not rounded or dug into a lot, it seems. Which really surprises me. It must be really strong stone. And well, this concludes my first trip to Yosemite. I'll be driving out now. Blessed to be able to spend a few hours here. I did a lot.
You remind me why the stars don't fall. I swear I love you like your last name's Ball. I take you to the lair if we make it past the stairs. Shit, I don't wanna share, yeah. You don't let a good thing go to waste. So I took the lipstick off that face. I don't wanna share, yeah.